Hello and welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 123. This was the 31st of December 2022. Happy New Year. So my wife and daughters took a trip and I got to stay home with the dog, which is okay with me. I have a New Year's tradition. It's the story that I tell myself, but I like to go to bed early, and in years past, when I've gone to bed early, I've had good years. And the times that I stayed up to celebrate the New Year's or did something special, those years weren't so good. So being a superstitious person, and also just because I don't like to celebrate, I don't like to stay up late. I went to bed early on the 31st and woke up on the first. So this day began. Did my exercise, 45 minutes on the treadmill with a 5-minute jog. I had a lot of books in preparation for textbook, lots of data entry and lots of chasing down books that I've ordered, and got all that taken care of. And then I had a Remote Wellness Academy practice because preparing for the next day. All right, so that was basically my day for day 123. If you have any comments or questions, let me know, and I will talk to you tomorrow.